Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today's Wednesday, March the 6th. Let's go on this journey. It's 9:40 in the morning. Let me see if my light's on. Yes, it's on. Go on this journey, see where it takes us. Very damp out today. I don't know if you can see the skies are very cloudy today. Let's go, we got the green light. Green means go, go, go. It's about 50 degrees out today. Not bad. There's a cruiser. Let me let this car pass. I gotta get in the left lane. I'm not gonna wait. This is the safest place to cross. At the crosswalk. This is where we cross. Make sure that you guys are straight. Perfecto. Want to see what's down here, guys? Let's see what's down here. I've never come this way. Oh. Nice. There's a police cruiser. Wow, how nice is this? Let's take this all the way out. Let's see where it takes us. Penn State. American flags anywhere? I think this is Fairlawn. We're going under 208 here. Anybody behind me? Nope. Wow, that thing was right. I slowed down to 18 miles an hour, and it read 18 miles an hour. Not too bad of a day today, guys. Like I said, it's in the 50s. Wind in my face, like usual. Hey, little squirrel over here. Let's make this right. Some kind of a brook here. We are on Oxford Street, or I think it's that street. What's here? Oh, it's a dead end on the right. Let's go this way. It looks like they're having a book fair. Oh, look where we're at, by the big rock again. Holy moly. We're by the big rock again. Okay, so let's go to the right of it. Wow, Rock Road. Oh man, this is cool. I put my arm out so I can get into this lane. Railroad tracks here. Have people jogging, nice. I think this is the middle of Glen Rock. This is the center of town. It's cute. Glen Ave. Look at that Starbucks coffee. Oh, this is nice. Another railroad track. Glen Rock, guys. People taking their walk. Yeah, very cloudy day up here today, guys. But I'm bringing this video out to you guys. I want to thank all my subscribers. I got new subscribers this week. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I do these videos for you guys. Where the heck am I? I don't know. Come and see. Oh, we're on Rock Road. Ackerman. So Highwood Ave. Huh. This is pretty cool. I don't know where I'm at. let's go straight. We'll find our way. Like I was saying, I thank you, all my subscribers. I'm catching every light now. See? This is what I don't like. Don't do that, Mateo. Oh, you got the green light? Nice. They saw the light. We are in Ackerman Ave. So far, we did 3.39 miles. Wow, that went fast. Where am I? There's an American flag over there. How's my battery? Oh, we're good. I missed that one. I already fell once today. I gotta look at the footage to see if I can post it or not. I took a pretty good spill. I took a pretty good spill. Bottle King, where the hell are we? Oh, we're in Paramus, oh my God. Oh, we're in Paramus. Pompton Ave. Jasper Road.